The Ripsaw screener is designed to be an efficient search process for identifying investments with specific risk exposures. For example, assume it's desirable to add exposure to U.S. long-term investment-grade corporate bonds. Selecting the Start a Revision icon will open an investment account. From the Account's Actions menu, choose Add New Investment to view the Investment Selector page. Then choose Bond Fund and consider changing the filter criteria to reduce the universe of funds to those that are more likely to meet your preferences. Setting a low expense ratio and index funds only will narrow your focus to low-cost opportunities with little managerial risk. ETFs are preferred for price updates during the trading day. If you're looking for managerial performance with active funds only, you will need to set the maximum expense ratio higher. Selecting a particular fund family relevant to your brokerage accounts will further narrow the search. After making criteria changes, click on Next for the bond sector decision display. The choices can now be narrowed further between predominantly U.S., non-U.S., and global choices. Under the U.S. Funds column, pick U.S. Corporate Investment Grade to get a maturity structure choice. Then select Long Term. Ripsaw will display an output list of funds that satisfy all your criteria in order of ascending expense ratios. From the Information drop-down menu, you can select Bond Details for more information on bond fund origin, quality rating, maturity, and sector distributions. After indicating a specific fund in the checkboxes, click on Add Selected Funds to Account for downloading the new investment opportunity. Another example is obtaining emerging stock market exposure. Click on Add New Investment from the Account Actions menu and consider changing the setup criteria to reduce the number of funds in the search. Afterwards, click on Next for the Stock Sector Decision display. In order to achieve a focused exposure to emerging markets, choose Emerging Stock Markets under the Non-U.S. Funds column. Then, Ripsaw will display an output list of funds that satisfy all your criteria in order of ascending expense ratios. From the Information drop-down menu, select Stock Details for more information on stock fund origin, capitalization, sector, and value growth distributions. After electing funds in the checkboxes, add to your revision with Add Selected Funds to Account. Furthermore, a direct approach is also available with knowledge of a specific stock, mutual fund, or ETF that has your desired exposure. After clicking on Add New Investment from the Account Actions menu, select Security or Fund by Name and start typing its ticker symbol or name until you see it. Then choose it for verification. Click on Select Security, then Confirm Selection, and this choice will also be loaded into your account and designated as a new investment alternative. Now, there are several new investment choices for reallocating wealth in your revision.